Gathering reviews from all over the internet, this is what users are saying about the Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi stands out in the world of flow arts and juggling toys as a product that bridges the gap between beginner-friendly design and the vibrant spectacle that both casual and dedicated performers seek. This review draws on a wide range of user experiences and expert insights to provide a comprehensive, unbiased overview of what makes these Poi balls a popular choice, as well as where they might fall short for certain users. The Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi is designed to be durable, lightweight, and visually striking. The soft-core spinning balls are engineered to minimize pain if you accidentally hit yourself or someone else, a feature that is repeatedly praised by both new and experienced users. Each ball weighs only 3 ounces, making them easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. The adjustable leashes, ranging from 12 to 24 inches, and the double loop handles are intended to provide a customizable fit for a variety of hand sizes and spinning styles. Many reviewers note that the adjustability is a significant advantage, especially for those still developing their technique or sharing the Poi among multiple users. The highlight of the Spinballs Glow.0 is its impressive lighting system. With 22 vibrant color and light modes, including 21 presets and 1 customizable setting, users can create a wide array of visual effects. This flexibility allows for performances that can be tailored to different moods, events, or personal preferences. The LED lights are consistently described as bright and eye-catching, outshining many competitors, including some models that cost significantly more. The ability to lock in a favorite color or cycle through patterns adds to the appeal, making the Poi suitable for everything from festivals and parties to personal fitness routines and mindful movement practices. One of the most frequently cited benefits is the USB rechargeable feature. Unlike cheaper LED Poi that require disposable batteries, the Spinballs Glow.0 can be fully charged in under 2 hours and provides up to 20 hours of continuous use. This convenience not only reduces ongoing costs, but also ensures that the Poi are ready for action whenever inspiration strikes. The inclusion of a carry bag and an instructional DVD further enhances the value proposition, especially for beginners. The DVD offers a comprehensive introduction to Poi spinning, covering basic to advanced tricks, transitions, and flow techniques. Users appreciate the clear explanations, multiple camera angles, and slow-motion demonstrations, which make it easier to learn at your own pace. The encouragement to experiment and develop a personal style resonates with many, fostering a sense of creativity and individuality within the flow arts community. Durability is another area where the Spinballs Glow.0 receives high marks. The multi-material, soft-core construction is designed to withstand repeated impacts, drops, and the rigors of outdoor use. Users report that the Poi hold up well even after months of frequent practice, including sessions with children and beginners who are more likely to drop or mishandle the equipment. The built-in swivel and dual-point string attachment are effective at minimizing tangles, a common frustration with other Poi sets. However, no product is without its drawbacks, and the Spinballs Glow.0 is no exception. Some users note that the nylon finger tabs on the handles can cause discomfort or even rawness on adjacent fingers during extended practice sessions. For those who spin Poi frequently, upgrading to softer leather tabs is recommended. The string length adjusters, while functional, are described as flat and broad, which can occasionally lead to tangling at the adjustment point. A more streamlined, rounded design could improve this aspect. Fortunately, the modular nature of the Poi makes it easy to replace or modify these components to better suit individual preferences. Another minor issue mentioned is the shape of the balls themselves. While the soft construction is generally an asset, some users find that the balls are not perfectly round, with flat spots that are noticeable upon close inspection, but do not significantly affect performance. Additionally, a few users report that internal components can become loose over time, resulting in a slight rattle. Despite these minor imperfections, the overall consensus is that the build quality is excellent for the price point. The Spinballs Glow.0 is positioned as an ideal entry-level or intermediate Poi set, and most users agree that it delivers exceptional value. For around $20, buyers receive not only the Poi balls and leashes, but also a carry case, instructional DVD, and even a small screwdriver for battery installation. The inclusion of batteries is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to start spinning right out of the box. Replacement batteries are easy to find and install, further enhancing the user-friendly experience. Performance-wise, the Poi are praised for their balance and weight distribution. The soft core design ensures that accidental impacts are forgiving, making the learning process less intimidating for beginners and safer for group settings. The bright, programmable lights elevate any performance, drawing attention and admiration from onlookers. Whether used for personal enjoyment, fitness, or public displays at events like Burning Man, the Spinballs Glow.0 consistently delivers a fun and engaging experience. The educational aspect of the included DVD cannot be overstated. By breaking down tricks and techniques into beginner, intermediate, and expert categories, the DVD caters to a wide range of skill levels. The instructors emphasize the importance of experimentation and personal expression, encouraging users to adapt and evolve their style. This approach aligns with the broader ethos of the flow arts community, where creativity and self-discovery are central themes. In terms of accessibility, the Spinballs Glow.0 is suitable for users as young as 6 years old, making it a family-friendly option. Parents report that children are drawn to the colorful lights and rhythmic movement, often inspiring even the most inactive kids to get up and participate. The Poi are also popular as gifts, with many buyers purchasing additional sets for friends or as loaners for group activities. The social and physical benefits of Poi spinning, including improved coordination, rhythm, and fitness, are frequently cited by users of all ages. Shipping and customer service experiences are generally positive, with most buyers receiving their orders quickly and in good condition. The company, Fun in Motion, is noted for its responsive support team, referred to as happiness engineers, who are available to assist with any issues or questions. This commitment to customer satisfaction further enhances the appeal of the product. While the Spinballs Glow.0 is not marketed as a professional-grade Poi set, it meets or exceeds the expectations of most casual and intermediate users. Those seeking perfection or specialized performance features may wish to explore higher-end options, but for the majority of buyers, the combination of affordability, durability, and visual impact is more than sufficient. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings and strong sales, consistently ranking among the top juggling sets in online marketplaces. In summary, the Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi offers a compelling blend of features, performance, and value. The soft-core construction, adjustable leashes, and double-loop handles make it accessible and comfortable for a wide range of users. The vibrant LED lighting system, with its numerous modes and customization options, ensures that every spin is a visual delight. The USB rechargeable batteries, included instructional materials, and thoughtful accessories further enhance the user experience. While there are minor areas for improvement, such as the comfort of the finger tabs and the design of the string adjusters, these do not detract significantly from the overall quality and enjoyment of the product. For anyone interested in exploring Poi spinning, whether as a mindful hobby, a form of exercise, or a dazzling performance art, the Spinballs Glow.0 is a highly recommended choice. Its combination of safety, versatility, and visual appeal makes it suitable for individuals, families, and groups alike. If you are considering adding a new dimension to your movement practice or looking for a unique and engaging gift, the Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi deserves serious consideration. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Supporting the channel by using it helps us continue to bring you in-depth reviews and recommendations. And if you have experience with the Spinballs Glow.0 LED Poi, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make the best choice for their needs.